Howdy folks, welcome back to One Eats. Today I'm at Plaza Rakyat LRT Station and I'm taking you guys on a walk to GMS Mall and also Robertson's Residences or Robertson Suites. Let's go! So upon arriving here, basically this is the platform. Opposite train just arrived. What you need to do is walk down and head on out. You can also get here from Merdeka MRT Station as well, so do take note. If your destination, especially if you're staying at the Airbnb at Robertson Suites or Robertson Residence, this will be the best and closest stop train-wise. That will be the Merdeka exit. That's why you see so many people here. So I was saying, this will be the closest. The next one will be the Bukit Bintang MRT Station. It's a slightly further, probably about additional 3 minutes walk. So yep, this is how you get to GMBB Mall. There you go. So you exit here, walk along this path. And you can see Menara Point. Now this path is good enough for if you're taking along your luggage. These stairs, flight of stairs. Hold on to your luggage pole. And then you could go all the way out and then walk one round, or the other route, shorter route, will be here, going through the UTC. So using this shortcut, at least you don't have to go one huge round along the building. There's a signage to LRT. What you need to do when you see this counter, look at this staircase or exit, but you need to be going down. Once you head on down, you're on the front of Pudu Central. And as you can see on the right, we have several hotels, Hotel Transit, Hotel 89, and we need to be walking along this path to get to GMBB Mall, and then at the back will be Robertson Residences or Robertson Suites. So let's go. If you're traveling late at night, let's say 10 p.m. or so, I probably won't suggest to take this route. Probably a better route would be the Bukit Bintang MRT Station, as mentioned earlier, because you'll be walking past Jalan Alor, and basically it will be far more vibrant and filled with activities. Also, do note further up, there'll be a pathway whereby we'll be walking against the traffic. You guys will see soon enough. That's not particularly super safe, I guess, but it's because of the construction going on the right hand side. I see that the construction is cleared actually, so it's a much better pedestrian walk now. As you can see as well, we're reaching the end of the covered pathway. From here on out, it's basically if it's raining, yeah, you gotta be holding an umbrella. That will be a challenge if you're bringing along your luggage. And one of the reasons I'm filming this little walk, because few friends of mine stayed at Robertson Airbnb, so I thought might as well make a video of it since I'm heading there today. It's about 8:15 a.m. right now, and I'm taking this walk. Hence, you can see the traffic. Everybody's rushing to get to work. I probably won't be speeding up the video so that you can see and gauge whether the time required to get to GMBB Mall or the Robertson Suites. Oh, that's an interesting Chinese restaurant opposite that's open already. Cool. Just opposite is Hospital Tongchin. So if you see that, it means you're on the right path. Here is where you need to get out a little bit until these are all cleared. It's a very short walk. We are almost there. As we reach this corner, we have arrived. As you can see there, GMBB and the Robertson. Robertson is just at the back, GMBB Mall is right in front. So for those going to the Robertson, you will just continue on this path a little bit. Or in fact, I would advise to just cross the road and walk along the inner pathway of the building right there, which we shall do so right now. Here we go. GMBB. Let's continue walk along this path. It's covered a little bit at least, and you will see the beautiful church on the right. But right here, just now, you're already at the mall. Right, so the mall entrance is right over there, and you will have a few restaurants here. There's a mama there. A lot of people shared with me that staying at the Robertson Suites is a very good deal, good value. So do check it out. There's a grocer right here as well. Very convenient if you're staying here. There you go, that's the church. Menara 118 just behind it. Here you go. That's the Robertson main entrance. So you can see people with luggages as well. So just now we just walked across there, and this is GMBB Mall with the Jamaica Blue Cafe right here. They open at 7:30 in the morning. I'll probably hop on in there for a little bit, and that's the mall entrance right there. This mall is great because it's a very artsy mall. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this little walk guide from the LRT station to here, do like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next videos.